So it's been more than an hour since this plane came down, just 2 minutes into the air and turned into a ball of fire. Search and rescue operation is still on, and we still see a lot of smoke and fire coming from the site. Rescue team has been called, comprising teams from the Indian Air Force, the Army, local police, members from disaster management, as well as fire brigade. They have been using several water cannons to put off the fire. Images coming in from the site sees many buildings caught fire when this plane came down. This plane was carrying at least 230 passengers, including 2 pilots, and there were also 10 crew members. And we have been waiting for official statement about casualties, but there is no data about that. But people at the site are giving very graphic images and stories, saying that there is very less chances of anybody from this flight surviving this tragic crash. And a few minutes ago, there were images of several people being taken to hospital, and now they are believed to be people in the from the residential area where this plane came down. Prime Minister Modi has spoken to the Civil Aviation Minister and also the Home Ministry. He is taking the stock of the situation, and for the moment, Ahmedabad airport has been shut down, and we are waiting for more information about who all are the passengers. But we got to know from the airline that there were nationalities from Britain, Canada, Portugal, and a lot of Indians were on this board. So it's definitely a very big tragic crash that has just happened in Ahmedabad, and the rescue team is still trying to put the situation under control, and a lot of smoke is seen from the site of the crash.